Hi guys, my name is Zivij and I'm the co-founder at Bricks, design and marketing agency for B2B SaaS companies. And in this video, I'm going to talk about how in the last 1 year, we built 20 plus websites, each in a span of 30 days or less. So let's just dive in. In this video, I'm going to I'm going to take an example of our client Webstone Education. They offer full stack web development courses where you can customize your tech stack. And we did this project early in 2024. And I want to dive right into our Figma files to showcase what led to this project being where it is today. So let's go to our Figma files. Okay, let's dive in right away, right? So what we start off by? We start off by creating a huge mood board. Why? Why is it important? Because majority of people who want to get a website redesigned don't know what their website should look like, and they have no idea where their visual design should head towards, right? And to fix this, we give them options, right? You give people more and more options to pick from and understand their liking or disliking, right? So in our case, we had a conversation with the founder, Mike, to have an understanding of what their visual design preferences look like. And we created two mood boards for these particular visual design styles, neo brutalism and flat design, right? And our client, they came onto this Figma file mood board and they commented like what they like, what they dislike, what is it something they absolutely hate. And it just gives us more and more insight about, okay, this is what our clients' preferences are. And also we pitch in our thoughts based on what their brand is, that what their visual design should be like, right? So when this, I'll also walk you through what the timelines are, so you're also clear what's happening in the back end. Day zero, they're onboarded, and day one, they're presented with this mood board in their Slack channel, and they come and comment. And day one, day two, we focus on the information architecture of the website. Now, what is the information architecture? It's extremely important because every website redesign or a design has a goal. It's majorly for SaaS brands. There's only two things they have a website redesign for. A, either it is to increase the number of conversions they have from their performance marketing or all sorts of marketing they have, or B, they probably did a website design 5 years ago and the product has evolved so much that their website does not reflect that correctly. So A, either it is to sell, or B, sell the product or sell the story basically. Both do the same thing, but based on that, we lay out the structure of the website, right? What is it that we want to communicate? So let's say the hero section, then we will talk about the pain points, the desires, the solution, the process, the social proof, the comparison, etc. This is how we lay out the website for the mood board, right? So right now, day one, day two, we have the mood board done. We know the client's preferences, and we have the information architecture set for the home page, right? The starting page. So with all this information, we start designing the hero section. We create multiple iterations of the hero section to showcase like what your visual design can look like. So day three, day four go into designing these hero section iterations. You can have a look, like we explored a lot of options in terms of, okay, neo brutalism, what all we can do, and with other design styles, what all we can do, and get an understanding from our client if they like it or not. And once we got some feedback from our client Mike over here, figured out we like this cal.com/20 CRM type branding, and we wanted to double down on this branding. So we created this particular option, which I think all of us resonated with. This was also refined upon in the future. So once the hero section is set, right now we're at day four, we have the hero section ready. We have the visual design style for the website ready. We have the IA for the homepage ready. So now we have the IA, we have the visual design set. So we work towards designing the homepage. In the homepage, we pick one section after the other based on the information architecture, and we already have the visual design set from the hero section activity, and we design these sections one by one. And this is what the website came out to be in case of Mike. And in timeline wise, this took us about 5 days to design this entire website along with creative. So we're about day 10 right now. And once the homepage is created, it is approved by a client. We have all the feedback loops done. Oh, by the way, the 5 days are with the feedback loops. So we've talked and communicated, made changes along with the client, and then we've presented the homepage to them. Next, we move to the next page based on whatever the selected scope is. This can be the pricing page, this can be the about page or the demo page, whatever the page is, features page, industries page, etc. In Mike's case, it was the course selection page, and we create again, the same process. Information architecture first. We decide what goes on to that particular page. We already have the visual design style set, and we design those pages. So these pages are fairly quick, compared to the home page, because the home page takes a lot of time because we have to figure out the visual design style first. So these pages, about 2 or 3 days each, we keep handing it off. So 4 or 5 pages we design and develop. Again, this was a course overview page. We had the purchase flow in this case, and we had the blog page as well. So these 5 pages we completed it in about 20 to 24 days, and it was handed over to Mike. And if you're interested in getting a world-class website designed for your SaaS brand, do reach out to us at brixlabs.com, and I look forward to hearing from you.